Hi, welcome back to my channel GlowUpSkin. I hope you all are doing really well. In today's video, I will share with you the water detox diet. Water detox diet removes heavy metals from the body to promote skin glow. I will share three options with you and you can choose any option you like. All three options are very simple and easy. Option 1 lemon water, option 2 pink salt water and option 3 Indian gooseberry water. Option 1 lemon water. To make lemon water you need only two ingredients. Number 1 lemon and number 2 water. Honey is optional. Lemons are packed with nutrients such as citric acid, calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, pectin, and flavonoids, which is very good for your skin. Step 1 take 1 glass of warm water. Step 2 add half a lemon and squeeze it in it and drink it. Note you can use a teaspoon of honey in it to enhance taste and nutritional value. Option number 2 pink salt water. For this you need pink salt and water. How to make this recipe? Himalayan pink salt is packed with over 84 trace minerals and elements that make it incredibly beneficial for your skin. Pink salt has numerous benefits from helping the body detoxify to boosting energy to improving digestion to promoting healthy hair, skin, and nails. Step 1 take 1 glass of warm water, add 1/4 teaspoon pink salt to it, and drink it. Make sure you use original Himalayan pink salt, not use chemical one. Option number 3 Indian gooseberry water. For this you need Indian gooseberry, water and pink salt is optional. The phytonutrients, vitamins and minerals present in gooseberry help in increasing the blood circulation, reduce acne and improve your skin. Step 1 take 1 fresh gooseberry and slice it. Step 2 first crush it in the juicer with little water. Now add 1 glass of warm water to it and blend it in juicer machine. Finally add 1/4 teaspoon pink salt to it and drink it. Pink salt is optional. You can also add a teaspoon of honey in it to enhance taste and nutritional value. You can experience some small pieces of gooseberries in your drink. If you don't like them, use a strainer. If you like the video, click on like button, subscribe my channel and hit bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz and take care.